What's up, guys? So it's been a while. I'm bringing you another video. Sorry I haven't been around lately. Got some personal stuff going on. Really don't want to get into it, but you know, kind of hard on me. Anyway, we got this NuVision Windows 10 tablet. I picked it up because it was like 64 or 69. I'll try to drop a link down below where you guys can get it. But it was a real good price. It's a full Windows 10 tablet, 8-inch, runs on an Intel Atom processor. Dual cameras, no idea what it's going to look like. It's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dual microphones, supposedly. It's a signature edition, so it says. All right, let's check out the specs real quick. A quad-core processor up to 1.8, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, full HD 1920 by 1200. That's not so bad. Batteries are 3700, 2 megapixel front and a 5 megapixel rear. Again, it's a Windows 10 by NuVision. Anyway, let's get that unboxing knife out. Let's use the Batman knife since that's what I got laying around. Alright, let's see here. Remember, always close your unboxing knives. Don't cut anybody or hurt yourself. Alright, let's see. How do we open this? I see. Or don't I say? Gotta open that unboxing knife one more time. There's a little bit of tape over here. It looks like there's tape over here. Alright. So it basically slides out like so. Pretty good presentation so far, I must admit. For 60 bucks. Or whatever, 70 bucks shipped, you know, give or take. There's our tablet. It's aluminum, very cool. That appears to be our micro SD slot, micro USB, microphone, mini HDMI, headphone jack, power button, volume rocker. Yeah, so far so good. Camera. Alright, let's peel this, see if I can get... Love that sound. Inside the box, before we jump completely through it, let's see. Pretty tight in here. Alright, in the box. Looks like usual books and crap. What do we got in here? Charging brick. Gotta be able to charge it, right? Why do I gotta make this stuff so hard to open? Alright, so we got our charging brick. In case you guys want to see it on camera. I'm assuming in here is our micro USB. A little bit of a surprise. Yeah, a micro USB cable and an OTG cable. That's pretty cool to be included with the tablet. Alright, let's see if it has any juice. It does? Seems to have some juice. For the price so far, I guess it's not bad. There we ready booted up. United States. No, we're not on Pacific. I'm on Eastern. I always forget where the hell Eastern is on here. Easter Island, Eastern Time. There we go. Next. Legal. Here's the legal stuff. Yeah. Use express settings. Now I'm not sure if this comes with any of the like the Office stuff. It'd be cool if it did for $60. Again, really the only reason why I bought it because it was just a complete blowout, and you know, I figured for the price. I'm just gonna put my information on here. Hold on 1 minute. You guys can talk while I do this. All right, there we go. So it's just like a Windows machine. Hi. If we don't see a blue screen of death, I guess we're pretty good here. All right, come on. There's a blue screen. But yeah, let's start, please. Ah, there we go. Cool beans. Look at this. Yeah, that's like full Windows 10. Look at those icons down below. Let's throw it on. Yeah, look at that. Wi-Fi. Cool. Turn Wi-Fi. Bringing up the Wi-Fi in my area here. Let's see if it brings mine up. Hopefully sometime this year. Yeah, this thing, there we go. Yeah, this thing is like an official, so it's only got 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so it seems. That's mine there. Why in the world? That's taken 10 years to pop up. UK. Ah, here we go. I'm going to type in my password. And we're connected and we're secure. Yeah, we don't want to use Cortana. There we go. I mean, for $60, I mean, I'd consider this a win. I mean, it's not horribly slow. Decent sized. Full Windows 10. I don't have it set up, but oh wait, here we go. Word. Looks like it's downloading it. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do, so maybe I'm just being stupid. Put your picture in the right spot and drag to move it. Okay. I just want to use. Well, you get it. I'm really not a Windows person, but it looks like it comes with full Office installed. So it's a full tablet. Anyway, I might come back to it once I play around with it and I'm not looking like an idiot here on camera. But again, this is the NuVision Windows 10 tablet. So far, I think it's kind of cool. I got to play with it. I'm really not a Windows user. But alright guys, if you like this video, please drop me a thumbs up. You know, I would kind of like it. I haven't dropped a video in a while. Trying to do what I can, which isn't much. So, you know, show some support. Alright guys, laters.